Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I'm with Disability Resolution PA, a Social Security disability law firm that mostly does Title II, Title 16 based disability benefits, interacting with the federal government. And so here's the thing, before I go into the traditional list of video ideas that you guys have sent me and want me to do, which is fine, we'll do those, we'll do them. I had a little sticky on my desk on top of that stuff. And the basic thing is that, as people are calling me, the basic thing is this. I don't know when I created this or why I put it on there, but it's something that I need to do. And yes, all of my time for the most part gets eaten up by the law firm. I understand. I get it. So you guys are actually going to have to help me with this thing. Space law has been my passion. Space travel has been my passion. Even as a little kid, I loved it. I mean, when I first came down to Florida, when I got into law school, the only place I would go to have fun would be NASA, and I would just check out whatever they had to show me. Whatever was available for me to see or whatever was available for me to read that they had on display, I would go check it out. I went on all the tours, all the stuff, everything. I had the little yearly yada yada card, the whole spiel. I even have those little medallions, that were made out of a particular thing. I have them all. So we need to have a quick discussion about space law before we go into disability law. What we're going to be doing is I'm going to be building a platform online, a website called spaceconstitution.com. And you guys are going to help me create the first sovereign nation-based space law constitution that will be used, hopefully, by one of these groups like SpaceX, Blue Origin, whatever. A corporation that goes out into, and I understand there are treaties limiting what they can and cannot do, but at some point, these groups will go out and have a sovereign nation out in space. And I'm going to create the platform that we can use to create a full, in-depth discussion area and constitution creation, Bill of Rights, the whole thing, that will hopefully one day be used to push forward all of the things that people need, all of the rights that we know of and that we might need in the future. So, spaceconstitution.com. That's what we're going to do. It'll begin as a small little thing. I'm not really seeking any donations because I haven't set up any of this stuff yet. But if you think this is a good idea to help build the future of what these civilizations beyond Earth will have as rules, laws, then this is the right thing for you to spend a minute on, 5 minutes on, 20 minutes on. I'm not really asking for money. What I'm asking for is think about it. What rights do you love the most? And how would you tweak those rights so that future generations will have it even better than you did? Which means you have to get rid of the whole ego thing of, oh, they can't have it better than me, I want it just for me. What will future generations that are not bound to this piece of Earth want to live by? That's tough. You've got to think of all the things that they'll need. And it's not just like, as a human, water, some sort of air that they're going to be breathing, some sort of food that they're going to be utilizing. It's the future of understanding what technology will add to them. Implants, special machinery that they have to wear, mind upgrades. What rights should they have? And I know a lot of you, there's political interests, there's religious interests. The reality here, guys, is that you can put it all on there. But this is for a newborn in space, a new nation in space that literally does not follow what we have right now. They follow the future because they are de facto the thing that will push forward the human race in total. So anyway, that's what happened. There was a sticky. And the sticky upset me a little bit. It pissed me off because I didn't know what I wanted to do or what I should do with it, but I knew. And so there was, and you guys have, there Game of Thrones, right? There was that guy, and I'm not going to say his name because I don't know, who made a video explaining the background for why he went back into acting. He wanted to be an actor, he got out of acting, and then he did a job, he hated the job, and then he basically went and said, okay, this is it. I'm going to go ahead and get the crappiest apartment I can find. I'm going to go ahead and yada, yada, yada. So I'm not doing it that way. I just bought my dream home. But the reality is, he really did it. And he did it because he gave everything for it. And I can't do that, which is why I need your help. Because I've got to help all these other homeless and low-income people at the same time. So I guess what this video is coming down to is, will you help me build the future laws that our human race has to live by? I don't think we should leave it up to politicians. I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay. Guys, have a wonderful day. We're going to go ahead and do these videos. I'll catch you a little bit later. Thank you so much. And Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'll catch up with you later. Bye-bye.